So if you're looking for a good Android launcher to change and spice up the appearance of your phone in 2021, then welcome here. One of the best things about Android is the ability to change the appearance of your phone in various multiple ways to make it better. I've compiled a list of a few Android launchers which I think are the best and you will like. So without wasting any moments, let's get to the video. What is up guys, how are you doing? Hope you're having an awesome day. I'm Milan and welcome to Fizitech. So first off, we have Microsoft Launcher, which as the name suggests is from Microsoft. And if an app is from such a big company, the probability of it being good is very high. Yeah. So this launcher, it lets you sign in into your Microsoft account if you have one, and you'll be able to sync it with other devices that are assigned to that account. Since it's from Microsoft, it will also obviously suggest for you to download their other apps if you want. Yeah, the other apps such as Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Word, Excel, let's say Microsoft Office, the whole of Microsoft Office, Bing, and so on and so forth. Swiping the home screen from the left will lead you to the glance section where you get to see shortcuts such as the calendar and documents. You can also set a task or put sticky notes there, and it has screen time widget where it keeps track of how often you use apps. At the other side, it has a news section where you are supplied with a large number of articles, and the more you use it, the more the news gets personal based on whatever you need most. And the news is also put into categories like sports, technology, and whatever. Yes. Now another good thing about this app is how the wallpaper changer works. By just tapping on it and it updates. At the launcher settings, you have a vast majority of settings that you can use to change different appearances of your phone. This app is absolutely free, and since you'll be getting updates from Microsoft every time, I think it's safe to say that it's one of the best launchers out here. Next on, Hyperion Launcher. This launcher has a lot of features and you can customize it a lot. When you long tap the home screen, you get 5 sections: wallpapers, widgets, icon packs, in which you'll get redirected to Play Store to get them if you want them, and also home settings, and you can edit pages. Now this launcher, it's highly customizable as you can change the color of any object and also the font. It has a wide variety of options and it will have a way to suit you. Another launcher is the Niagara Launcher. Now based on simplicity, I'd say this is the best. All your apps are put on a list in alphabetical order, and all you have to do is swipe throughout the letters and you get your app. When you look at it, it's so simple yet so fun. It also allows you to select your best or favorite apps and put them at the home screen to avoid the hassle of looking for them, and also to prevent you from being distracted. Smart Launcher 5 or Smart Launcher is another launcher that looks really good in your phone. Immediately after installing it and making it the default launcher, you get the home screen where when you swipe up, instead of getting the usual app drawer, you get the apps divided into categories such as settings, communications, games, internet, utilities, and much more. Now, when you swipe to the right, it will lead you to Microsoft News for news updates. I'm not sure if it's part of Microsoft. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. While swiping left will lead you to a page where you can edit widgets. Now, if you like Xiaomi's Poco phone, then you have to have known of Poco Launcher 2.0. Now, the main thing about this launcher is its speed. It's fast, hence it's obviously more efficient. Apart from its speed, it also has an app drawer where at the top the apps are divided based on their categories, and then we have a setting where the apps are divided based on colors. This is really efficient since you may forget the name of an app, but remember its icon's appearance or its color, so you just go there and it's easy to find it. You can also use it to clear the RAM. It has a special app where you just tap it and it clears the RAM. And it also has a customizable dark mode. Now, on the dark mode, you get to change the transparency based on your preferences. For simplicity and speed, I'd advise you to get this one. Next on, we have Ratio Launcher, the productivity launcher as said in Play Store. First off, it's unlike other launchers, and once you open it, you'll just understand it. You see, when you look at other launchers, they have that stock Android feel, even if it's by far. Now this launcher is on its own. At the home screen, all your apps are categorized into different sections, such as creativity, entertainment, finance, games, and whatever. Now, when you tap into each category, you see the list of apps found in that category. Their icons are the normal ones, are just usual, although they are black and white. Now, when you get a notification, you get a yellow blinking line or light appears at the side of each category, or of the category where the message is from. And when you open the category, the yellow blink goes to the specific app. It also has other features such as measuring the time you spend in each category so as to let you know where your time goes. Long pressing an app will open you to more settings that aren't necessary, but if your point is customizing your phone beyond recognition, then use this launcher. Lawnchair Launcher is the best launcher to give you that stock Android feeling. Long pressing on the screen gives you settings where you can customize the design quite well. You can also play around with features like colors and shapes of icons, all the way to the icon size and many other different stuff. This launcher is completely free, and I can promise you that it's great to use for those stock Android lovers. The last launcher is Nova Launcher. You don't know anything about customization if you've never heard of this one. This is the best of the best of Android launchers, and it has been like that for long. It's the most popular and the most customizable launcher in the Play Store. You can literally change anything you want with the appearance of your phone. And if you're new to the launcher, you just search on how to customize with it. You can Google it, and you'll find a ton of videos, blogs, and posts showing you how to use it and showing you examples. You can even go to Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, everywhere you will find ways on how to customize with Nova Launcher, and there are very many. Now, you can also meddle with everything, and that's just awesome. This launcher has also been here for long, and I can confidently say that it's here to stay as the best. So these are my personal preferences, but I know that there are still more that are good. If you feel like a launcher could have been included in the list, mention it at the comment section down below and let's discuss. So I leave the links of each of these launchers down at the description if you want to check out some of them. Now, if you like this video and haven't subscribed, don't leave without subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. Anyways, that's all for today, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Peace.